To buy an apartment complex, it typically takes at least 60 days. But what I recommend to my buyers is you really need to start before that. So you need to assemble your team. And who's on the team? That typically includes a commercial real estate broker, your CPA, an attorney, and as well as a property manager if you're not going to self-manage. Most of my investors that I deal with are at a level where they want a property manager. It's pretty complex nowadays to screen your own tenants and know all the tenant landlord laws. And if you make a mistake, it's really costly right now in the state of Oregon. So most of my clients that buy apartments use professional property management, and they're also part of the team. So assembling your team up front is important, and then at that process, you're ready to start looking at properties. We make an offer, and then you go into the lender, and the lender orders the appraisal and starts their process. So from start to finish, it takes about a minimum of 60 days to complete a transaction when you're buying an apartment complex.